We are from Lingnan University Alumni Association Hong Kong Primary School. Imagine this, you are a fisherman. Before you catch fish, you catch plastic bottles. Every year, more than 8 million tons of plastic enter our oceans. Cleaning the ocean is slow, dangerous, and very hard work. So we ask ourselves, what if robots can do the dangerous part so humans can do safer and better jobs? That's why we created Ocean Rescue One. Ocean Rescue One is an AI ocean cleaning robot. It is built with ARTEC blocks and security system. At the front, it has an AI camera. In the middle, a conveyor belt. At the back, a waste collection box. Here's how it works. When the AI camera sees something, it asks, is this trash or marine life? If it's trash, collect it. If it's marine life, stop and protect it. Suppose SDG 8, the center work and economical growth. How? It reduces dangerous ocean cleaning jobs. It improves efficiency. It creates new technology and AI-related career. It helps the fishing and tourist industry by keeping ocean safe, clean. Clean ocean means healthy marine life. Healthy ocean means sustainable jobs. In the future, we want to add solar power, use GPS navigation, add automatic waste sorting, improve air accuracy. Ocean Rescue One can become a smart ocean cleaning system around the world.
Every plastic we throw away can kill life in the sea, but with innovation, we can turn problems into opportunities. We are not just cleaning ocean, we are creating safer jobs and a better future. Thank you.